Dallas homeowners know that the local climate can be demanding. Long, hot summers, sudden storms, and occasional cold snaps all put pressure on your home's exterior. If your windows and doors are outdated, drafty, or showing signs of wear, upgrading them can make a noticeable difference in comfort, efficiency, and overall home value. Investing in modern windows and doors isn't just about improving appearance, it's about strengthening your home's performance from the inside out. Improved energy efficiency in Texas heat. Dallas summers are no joke. When temperatures climb into the 90s and beyond, your air conditioning system works overtime to keep your home comfortable. Older windows and doors often allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter, driving up energy costs. Modern upgrades feature double or triple pane insulated glass, low E, low emissivity coatings, argon gas insulation, multi-chambered vinyl or fiberglass frames, tight compression, weather stripping. These features reduce heat transfer and seal air leaks, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Over time, improved insulation can significantly lower cooling bills and reduce strain on your HVAC system. Enhanced home comfort. Drafts, hot spots near windows, and inconsistent temperatures are common in homes with aging windows and doors. Upgrading eliminates many of these issues. New windows and doors provide better temperature control, reduced humidity infiltration, fewer drafts, quieter indoor spaces. Dallas homeowners often notice an immediate improvement in comfort, especially during peak summer heat. Increased home security. Your doors and windows are your home's first line of defense. Outdated models may have weakened frames, loose hardware, or single-pane glass that doesn't offer much resistance. Modern replacement windows and doors include reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, impact-resistant glass options, heavy-duty strike plates. These upgrades provide stronger protection against forced entry and storm damage, offering greater peace of mind. Better protection against storms. Dallas weather can change quickly, bringing strong winds and heavy rain. High-quality windows and doors are designed with improved sealing systems and structural strength to handle storm conditions. Impact-rated glass and reinforced frames can help minimize damage during severe weather. Proper installation also ensures that water stays outside where it belongs. Boosted curb appeal. Few upgrades make as dramatic a visual impact as new windows and doors. Whether you prefer a modern, sleek look or a more traditional design, today's options come in a wide range of styles, finishes, and colors. Upgraded windows and doors can refresh your home's exterior, enhance architectural details, increase resale value, make your property stand out in Dallas neighborhoods. A new front door, in particular, creates an inviting focal point that elevates the entire facade. Reduced maintenance. Older wood frames often require repainting, sealing, and regular upkeep. Modern materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and steel are designed for durability and low maintenance. These materials resist warping, cracking, fading, moisture damage. With minimal cleaning and occasional inspections, your new windows and doors can maintain their appearance and performance for decades. Increased property value. Energy efficiency and updated exteriors are major selling points in Dallas real estate. Prospective buyers appreciate homes with modern, high-performance windows and doors because they understand the long-term savings and comfort benefits. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, upgrading adds lasting value to your investment. A smart investment for Dallas living. Upgrading your windows and doors is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your Dallas home. From lowering energy bills and increasing security to enhancing curb appeal and comfort, the benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. With modern technology and professional installation, you can create a more efficient, secure, and beautiful home, one that stands up to Dallas weather and delivers lasting value year after year.